Here's my video for National Redline Day. I'm going to take this 1967 Dodge Charger, which was produced from 2000 to 2012. This is actually the 2008 release from the Classics 4 series. It's got a chrome-plated body with 2 shades of gray stripes on the roof and the hood, with a Zamac base, and smoke tinted windows, white interior, and some basic 5 spokes. So I've got the car pre-drilled. Take a look at it. You can tell that the body is very shiny, so I won't have to do any polishing on it. The window's not in too bad a shape. It's got a few little scuffs and scratches, but that'll polish out fairly easily. So it has a white interior. I'm not really going to do anything with it. We'll just leave it as is. But we will be replacing these 5-spoke wheels. We'll have to cut the tabs, and I'm going to put a set of capped red lines from Brightvision. Now we're going to take the tampo off. I'm going to use 100% pure acetone. It's about the easiest way to do this because I don't have to worry about any paint underneath. All I got to do is take the acetone, rub off the tampo, wipe it clean, and as you can tell, it comes off very easily off of this car. So basically, once I get the tampo removed, I'll just clean the casting real well, and then we'll go ahead to spray some paint on it. So I looked at all the different versions from the Classic series, and none of them were magenta. There was quite a few Spectraflame colors, so I decided to do this as a magenta car. It's actually Createx Candy2o paint. It's called a Brandywine. And here is the finished product. Like I said, it's got Brightvision Redline cap wheels on it, and did a little bit of detailing on the body. I painted in the front grille with some flat black accents, very similar to the actual 67 Charger, and kind of in the spirit of a Redline, I also painted in the tail light to give it kind of that old school look. You know, this is old enough. It could have been a Redline back in the day. It wasn't. It's a newer casting, but it kind of fits the time frame. So I'm going to show a few glamour shots here, and that'll kind of wrap up this video. This is a short video, but it's kind of a conversion. I wanted to do something a little bit different for National Redline Day, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Hopefully you like it also.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.